How to fix full voicemail on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the major ways to fix full voicemail on Android is to go and delete all your voicemail. So what you can simply do is tap on the contact section, tap on three dotted lines and then select settings. Scroll down and tap on voicemail and just change your settings over here. You just need to change your voicemail number and also delete your voicemail information or the messages. Next, what you can simply do is launch the settings application on a device and scroll down and tap on apps. Select on manage apps and tap on the search bar to search for phone. So let the app pop up over here at the bottom of the screen, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the phone application. So tap on it and then here you can see the option of clear data. So just tap on clear data and then you can clear the cache, and if it's possible you can clear all data as well. After this you can relaunch your phone application and this might help you fix full voicemail on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.